we realized that we needed to get something out that somebody could sit down in front of their computer, or they could go at their own pace. They could learn the truths, be brought into the story, experience it, and be challenged. And that's really what led us to this next phase of our journey to really develop this course. And man, I gotta say that it was one thing to teach this. It's one thing to teach this live. It's another thing to put it entirely up on on video. People might think that that's easy. For us, it was a hard learning curve, as we went through that, of the stories we wanted to tell, of how we wanted to share, of how we wanted to bring people into it, without bogging things down, without making it boring. When a lot of the
Yeah.
times we have discussion, we're here, you don't have that. So there, again, it was a learning curve for us, but one that has made us stronger, and far better in our delivery, both in person as
Yeah.
well as through video. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Course Creek, Robert, and the team. It has been an absolute pleasure working with them this entire time. They have been so very helpful in helping us create our course, helping us understand course creation. Robert has been always available, has been quick to respond to all emails, texts, and phone calls, and in fact has reached out several times just to check in, to see and make sure that things are going well. It's been one of the greatest partners that I've worked with in my time here at Kingdom Story. I highly recommend Course Creek as someone to work with, as a company to work with for course creation, for multiple other services that they provide for video editing. All of it. It's an all-in-one package that helps you go from your written material to an online course, all in one sitting, and they stay with you from beginning to end and even beyond that. So if you're thinking about creating a course, I highly recommend Course Creek, and would would recommend that you reach out to them and at least get a bid, hear from them, talk to Robert, and see how amazing he is. It's been fun to work with him myself. Always a laugh, and we get things done. And so,
Yeah, we do.
yeah, that's what I got, and I hope to see you also on the alumni page.
Yeah, that's great. It's very lovely, Brandon. Thank you for the shout out. We really appreciate it. And it's been super, yeah, it's just been a blast working with you guys and inspiration. And it's just the beginning. We look forward to, doing more and continuing to be part of your journey and part of your team. So we're honored. Yeah,
Right on. Thank you, Robert.
you're welcome.